guest of honor, respected principal ma'am, along with other dignitaries are coming in the hall. You all are requested to please stand up and welcome them. Thank you. You may be please seated. A very good morning to everyone assembled here. As you know, As you all know, we are here to celebrate Dietetics Day, and our sages thousands years ago had already mentioned the importance of diet in our ancient scriptures, which can be better understood through a shlok. Anna Brahma, Raso Vishnu, Pakto Devo Maheshwara, Evam Janakvatu Bhunakte, Anaha Dosho Na Lipyate, means the creative energy in the food is Brahma. The nourishing energy in the body is Vishnu. The transformation of food into pure consciousness is Shiva. If you know this, then any impurities in the food you eat will never become part of you. In other words, food is not just calories. It is an information. It talks to your DNA and tells it what to do. The most powerful tool to change your health, environment, and entire world is your food. Today, on behalf of our Principal Ma'am Dr. Sapna Nanda, faculty, students of Government College of Yoga Education Health, in collaboration with Indian Dietetics Association Chandigarh chapter, I welcome you all. And now I request Madam Principal to give a floral welcome to our dignitaries. Yes. Our guest of honor, Professor R. Puri, patron IDA, is coming. Please give a big round of applause. Please sit along now. Madam Madhu and Madam Manisha ji, our worthy judges, are in the hall. Please give a big round of applause to them. Now I request Madam Principal to give a floral welcome to our dignitaries. Our worthy chief guest of the occasion, Dr. Amandeep Kang, Director Health Services, Chandigarh Administration. Please give a big round of applause. Our guest of honor, Professor R. Puri, patron IDA Chandigarh chapter. We welcome you, ma'am. Our special guest, Madam Sunita Malhotra, Chief Dietitian, PGI. Welcome, ma'am. Our worthy judges, Madam Madhu Kaur, former Principal, Home Science College, and Madam Manisha Arora ji, Senior Dietitian, Government Multi-Speciality Hospital, Sector 32. Ma'am, we welcome you all. Thank you, ma'am. It is a mark of our undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an important event. Like the great philosopher once said, the function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of one who prays. Lighting of lamp is a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Let's all leave the darkness and step towards the bright path. Now I request all the dignitaries along with Principal Ma'am to come forward for the light lamping ceremony as symbolically inaugurate the program.
आइए मैम।
Thank you, Dr. Gurniti and students for creating positive vibes here. Taking the program further, I request our respected principal ma'am, Dr. Sapna Nanda, to come on stage for the formal introduction of our guest, chief guest.
Thank you, Anupma dear. Our very honorable chief guest of today's event, Dietetics Day 2021, Dr. Amandeep Kank. Our very respectable guest of honor, Professor R. Puri. Our very distinguished keynote speaker, dietitian Sunita Malhotra ji. Very esteemed judges for today's competitions, Dr. Madhu Kaul and dietitian Manisha Arora, other guests, my very dear students and esteemed faculty of Government College of Yoga Education and Health, a very blessed morning to all. This morning is indeed blessed with the presence of distinguished dignitaries and my students and the faculty of this institution. So before I proceed further, I would like to acquaint with you all with the Indian Dietetic Association for those who are not aware of this association. In 1962, a group of like-minded nutritionists, dietitians, and workers in the allied health fields resolved to form a scientific body to highlight the importance of dietetics and nutrition in maintenance of health, in prevention and treatment of diseases, and thus Indian Dietetic Association was formed with Professor Kalyan Bagchi as secretary and Dr. C. Gopalan as president of Indian Dietetic Association. And this association was affiliated to International Congress of Dietetics in 1975. The headquarters of Indian Dietetic Association is located in Kolkata, and the aims and objectives of association are to promote the cause of science by encouraging the spirit of active pursuit of knowledge and original scientific research, particularly in the field of nutrition and dietetics. Also, to facilitate social and scientific and cultural fellowship and cultivation of goodwill among its members. The association also aims to promote close contact and interaction between persons following different branches and thus the integration and application of available scientific knowledge for the welfare of mankind. Also, to safeguard the interest of scientists generally and its members in particular and work for their welfare. Currently, we have 23 chapters of Indian Dietetic Association in various parts of the country, and the Chandigarh chapter is one of them. Each chapter has its own local executive committee which runs scientific programs and meetings at a convenient periodicity. Indian Dietetic Association has over 13,000 members all over the country, and all members of LEC work voluntarily for the betterment of the association and the dietetics profession. Every year, this day, 10th of January, is observed as Dietetics Day. Yesterday being Sunday, we are celebrating it today. A theme is decided every year, and all chapters take active part in spreading the message of nutrition and dietetics to the community. And the theme of this year Dietetics Day is Dietetics in COVID-19 World, the Digital Way. We, the faculty and students of Government College of Yoga Education and Health, have been working relentlessly during the pandemic to spread the message of immunity building through yoga and diet to fight against COVID-19. Using various strategies like webinars, videos, magazines, journals and newsletters, conducting workshops and other enrichment programs besides celebration of important days like International Day of Yoga and Dietetics Day and so on. The contemporary age is the time of collaboration. GCYEH is collaborating with Department of Health, Ayush, Department of Education, Department of Social Welfare, Dietetics Department of PGI, and PGI Yoga Scholars Group, etc. So, for preventive, curative, and restorative, working on preventive, curative, and restorative model, this Dietetics Day celebration is a live example of this model, and we are all witness to it today. We are indeed honored with the gracious presence of our revered chief guest, Dr. Amandeep Kang, who has very humbly accepted our invitation and spared her precious time out of her busy schedule to be with us to share her wisdom and expertise. Dr. Amandeep Kang, presently, she is Director Health Services, Chandigarh Administration, and MD of National Health Mission, State Health Authority, UT Chandigarh. Previously, she headed Gynae Department of Government Multi-Speciality Hospital in Sector 16. Indeed, all medicos are the real heroes of this pandemic, and they deserve a big round of applause. We salute you, ma'am. And I welcome you from the core of our heart to be with us. I am really blessed with the kind blessings of Professor R. Puri, founder, president, and patron of Indian Dietetic Association, Chandigarh chapter, who is a torch bearer for the entire fraternity of Indian Dietetic Association. I feel privileged to be her student because she not only taught me nutrition, but very important lessons of life also, which shaped me into what I am today. She is my mentor, guide, friend, and philosopher. I will always be indebted to her. Welcome you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for being with us. We are fortunate to have amongst us our keynote speaker, dietitian Sunita Malhotra, Chief Dietitian of PGI and co-convener of our Indian Dietetic Association Chandigarh chapter, who could make it possible despite her own program on Dietetics Day at PGI immediately after this program. So this reveals her sense of commitment, dedication, wholehearted service to the society and the people in general. A big thank you for accepting our invitation, and I welcome you, ma'am, to this institution. Our very special guest and one of the judges for today's competition, Dr. Madhu Kaul, former principal, Government Home Science College, and chief editor of newsletter of Indian Dietetic Association, who has been working relentlessly for IDA fraternity as well as students of nutrition for many decades. I think it's more than 4 decades ma'am have been serving to this fraternity, and I am one of her blessed students. So she has been a great moral support, motivational support to me. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Our another very special guest, dietitian Manisha Arora, who is senior dietitian at Government Multi-Speciality Hospital with Chandigarh Administration. She has made it convenient to take out time to judge today's competition. She is also a real hero and has been honored by Chandigarh Administration for her dedicated and meritorious service. I welcome you, Manisha. Last but not the least, we extend very warm welcome to our esteemed public members who are our pillars of strength and boost our morale and provide unconditional support as and when required. My very esteemed faculty and students of this college also deserve a big applause for their wholehearted efforts for making this event successful. Thank you all for being with us today morning and contributing their bit for making it successful. I welcome you all on behalf of my entire faculty and students of Government College of Yoga Education and Health. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It is time to listen Mrs. Jagmeet Madan, National President of Indian Dietetics Association. Mr. Deepak, please play the video message.
the government and private hospitals during this entire pandemic period and helped the patients. So many of them also got infected and recovered. So, with this spirit, the dietitians have really put a strong front to use the digital medium to their advantage. We are extremely privileged that today, for this IdeaCon, we are connected with 7 dietetic associations across the globe, whether it is Japan, Taiwan, Singapore, Philippines, Nigeria, Bangladesh, the IAAND, and the INDMIG group of American Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. All of us have come together globally to enjoy the academic feast, the exchange of knowledge, the dissemination of knowledge through this virtual platform. And this pandemic has also shown the whole world that it is the food, the lifestyle, which is of utmost importance. And in this backdrop, I think the nutritionists and the dietitians have a huge responsibility to guide the people at large, to work with different stakeholders to find solutions. So let's come together on this Dietetics Day and take a pledge that we will work together nationally with the government to use technology to our advantage, work for the fraternity, beyond the fraternity, using the digital medium, making a difference in people's life, and making India a COVID free India, a safe India, a healthy India, a digital India, and an Atmanirbhar Bharat. So let's, as a nutrition and dietetics fraternity, together work towards a digital and Atmanirbhar Bharat, and that's the dream for this year for all nutrition and dietetics fraternity. Once again, wish you a very happy Dietetics Day 2021. Thank you.
Pandemic condition and importance of diet, may I now request dietitian Sunita Malhotra, chapter convener and chief dietitian PGI Chandigarh, to present her keynote address on the topic immunonutrition during COVID-19 and make us aware for the same.
So I am really honored by the invitation extended to me by Madam Principal and the students of this college. And it's my privilege to be part of the celebrations organized by this college today. What I noticed was that it's such a well organized function जिसमें जो हमारे it's a वर्ल्ड डाइटिक्स डे तो हर प्रोग्राम का जो भी एक एक जैसे रंगोली से शुरू हो जाए और द डिस्प्ले ऑफ द फूड कुक्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स with the important amino boosters and the important nutritious factors which are needed in our diet. तो रंगोली में भी लॉट ऑफ पल्सेस एंड डेट्स एंड एवरीथिंग यूज्ड तो ये एक विजुअल एंड फिजिकल एक्टिविटी जब हम करवाते हैं किसी से भी तो उससे जो आप एक पक्की और एक शिक्षा देते हो कि यस दिस हैज़ टू बी पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ स्टाइल सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट तो आई कंग्रेचुलेट मैडम फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सच अ ब्यूटिफुल एंड नाइस फंक्शन एंड आजकल की जो फास्ट पेस दुनिया है उसमें टू फाइंड टाइम टू कुक टू कुक फूड योर सेल्फ विद अ हाईली न्यूट्रिशियस डाइट, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि बच्चों को ये सीखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज समवेयर यू हैव टू स्ट्राइक अ बैलेंस। और जैसे कि अब वायरस आ रहे हैं तो टू लर्न अबाउट इम्यूनो बूस्टर्स एंड अ न्यूट्रिशियस डाइट जो आपको हेल्दी रख सके फिजिकली, मेंटली एंड स्पिरिचुअली, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। So it's again all I can do is congratulate you all, and please जो भी एक्टिविटीज़ हुई हैं make it a part of your lifestyle। ये ऐसे ही नहीं है, अगर हम इस दिन में जो कुछ भी हमने आज करा है, if we make it take it into your lifestyle, that would be the real achievement of today's day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our worthy principal ma'am to present mementos to our chief guest and other dignitaries as a token of respect and affection. Yes, just wait. Madam Puri, patron IDA, guest of honor of the occasion. Big round of applause to her. Now our worthy judges, Ma'am Manisha Arora ji. Big round of applause to her. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
अंदर आ जाओ एक बार ऐसे ले लो प्राइस इसका भी
Third prize goes to Nishant. First prize goes to Pankaj. For the next event, that is poster making.
मैंने देखी नहीं ना, मुझे अभी पता नहीं है।
For the next event, that is poster making competition, third prize goes to Kritika Batra,
कौन सा वाला आपका करना है?
for poster making. Second prize goes to Yashi Chaudhary. Grade 1.
First year किया थी, new entrance।
And first prize goes to Pankaj again.
आप fine arts के students? ECC में थे, करके क्या आए? Congratulations।
For the next event, that is Rangoli making. Third prize goes to Aarti. Then first prize goes to Rupali Jaiswal. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
मैम एक फोटो बिना मास्क
Dear friends and faculty members also, this is a very, very special occasion for me because your principal was my student at one time, and since then she's been continuing as a student, as a friend, as a daughter, in multiple roles for me, which is a great honor by itself. And seeing the activities that are going on in your college, the college that is very unique in India, I am very, very proud to see that Sapna Nanda, Dr. Sapna Nanda is heading that and giving you opportunities to diversify your talents, innate talents and new talents to be developed, for which you are here. I think what you are learning here is not only the yoga, which is a very old science in our Vedas also, and has been renewed by Ramdev Swami. See, and you are, I think, going to be the experts in that field, and I'm sure you will carry it to so many people who you will meet and who will be under you again as students in any form, at any age. Because yoga is something that all people who want to be healthy and strong and spiritually good, they all want to learn yoga. Yoga is the basic, it is just one science from Vedas which have been handed over to our culture. So continue to not only learn but practice and share it with everybody that you meet in your life. This is my message to you, because mostly people think yoga is something, some exercises. It's not only just that, it is exercises and your conduct in life. Conduct with everybody, right from a little child to an elderly person. I'm sure you are imbibing that also, along with learning your yoga. Yoga is making you healthy, not only in body, but mind and spirit also. So continue learning that and sharing it also. And your ma'am, your teacher, your principal is an example of that. She lives yoga. So you also continue to learn all that and share amongst yourself and every human being that you meet. Teach them yoga and good points about yoga that you have learned. Discipline, taking care of your health through nutrition, which you learned, I can see through your skit and behavior and all the questions that you answered, that you are learning that also. Because nutrition is a very integral part of our being healthy. It is not only learning just by wrote about different vitamins, vitamin C is what, but even practice that in your life. And learn about, I think the girl was talking about all the traditional foods. Traditional foods were so good, but unfortunately, in the wave of new learning about technology and others, we have left that behind. But this is the time that you must use those traditional recipes also and foods also. They are in plenty that we have them. So you can be very healthy in spirit and mind also. So my blessings to you are that you become an excellent human being in life under the stewardship of your principal, Dr. Mrs. Sapna Nanda. She is a wonderful, wonderful human being, a wonderful principal, a wonderful teacher. You are lucky to have her, and under her guidance, you yourself will all become very, very honest human beings. My blessings are that you progress in life and spread the, what do I tell you, spread all the goodness that you imbibe here. And be known for that. God bless you in all spheres of your life. And be happy.
थैंक यू मैम, बहुत बढ़िया, थैंक यू, थैंक यू.
Ma'am, we sincerely thank you for your love, blessings, and good wishes, and we truly appreciate your presence. Now I request Dr. Mahendra Kumar for formal vote of thanks.
थैंक यू अनुपमा मैम. जैसे ही कोरोना संक्रमण का फैलाव शुरू हुआ, डॉक्टर्स, पुलिस कर्मी, प्रशासन, सामाजिक सेवा संगठन, मंदिर गुरुद्वारे सब बिना देरी किए समस्या से निपटने के लिए मदद के लिए आगे आ गए. ठीक उसी प्रकार आहार विशेषज्ञ कैसे पीछे रह सकते हैं, तो डाइटेटिक्स इन कोविड-19 विषय पर इन्होंने इस दिन को मना करके इससे संबंधित ज्ञान विज्ञान को साझा करके ये प्रयास भी आपके अपने क्षेत्र से जुड़ाव समर्पण का एक नमूना आपने पेश किया है. इस दिन का योग शिक्षकों के साथ साथ भावी योग चिकित्सकों को, भावी योग अध्यापकों को तथा योगा अभ्यासियों को एक दिशा मिली है और अत्यधिक खुशी हुई है कि पिछली वर्ष भी पहली बार ये मनाया गया था और आज ये दिवस दूसरी बार बहुत ही सुंदर ढंग से, व्यवस्थित ढंग से मनाया गया. और मुझे हठ योग पढ़ाते हुए लगभग 20 वर्ष हो गए, तो उसमें जो योगिक डाइट बताई हुई है, तो मेरी आदत है कि मैं हिंदी को ठीक से बोल पाऊँ, सारे शब्द हिंदी में बोल पाऊँ, तो मैं डाइटेटिक्स को हिंदी में देख रहा था. तो पथ्य के नियम, मतलब इसमें दिया हुआ है पथ्य अपथ्य, क्या खाएं क्या नहीं खाएं, इंडिकेटेड कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड, लेकिन ये और स्टीक वर्ड निकला इंग्लिश का. अदरवाइज इंग्लिश का वैसा स्टीक वर्ड निकलता नहीं है जो हमें हिंदी और संस्कृत में मिलता है. और हम अब कभी भी बाजार जाएं, किसी की पार्टी में जाएंगे, तो इस आहार विद्या का, पथ्य के नियमों का अवश्य पालन करेंगे. योग का क्षेत्र वैसे तो सुना था कि बहुत ही विस्तृत है और मानते हैं, लेकिन इस कार्यक्रम के आयोजन से राजकीय योग शिक्षण महाविद्यालय की ओर से ये एक और उपलब्धि प्रिंसिपल मैडम ने सिद्ध कर दिया है कि योग का क्षेत्र वैसे बहुत विस्तृत है. आहार का क्षेत्र केवल महिलाओं का अधिकार नहीं है, फिर भी अन्य क्षेत्रों की भांति इसमें भी आधिपत्य नारी शक्ति का ही रहा है. और प्रत्यक्ष को प्रमाण की आवश्यकता नहीं होती, लेकिन मैं प्रत्यक्ष को ही प्रमाणित करता हूँ कि हमारे मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में सुशोभित मैडम अमनदीप जी कंग, डायरेक्टर स्वास्थ्य सेवा चंडीगढ़ प्रशासन, पीजीआई के आहार विशेषज्ञ डॉक्टर सुनीता मल्होत्रा मैडम, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आईडीए श्रीमती जगमीत मदान जो ऑनलाइन हमारे साथ जुड़े, IDA के पैटर्न चंडीगढ़ चैप्टर के डॉक्टर मैडम पुरी, जजमेंट के कार्य के लिए पधारी मैडम मधु कौल जी, पूर्व प्रिंसिपल होम साइंस कॉलेज, तथा मैडम डॉक्टर मनीषा अरोड़ा जी, सीनियर डाइटिशियन GMSH सेक्टर 16। ट्रेडिशनल डाइटरी प्रैक्टिसेस के लिए राजकीय योग शिक्षण महाविद्यालय की छात्रा तथा पंजाब विश्वविद्यालय से शोधकर्ता शोध वृत्तिधारी मिस भारती गोयल ने जो समझाया बहुत अच्छा लगा। अपनी व्यक्तिगत, सामाजिक, राजकीय, ये प्रशासनिक ख्याति प्राप्त महानुभावों ने आकर के कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई है। महाविद्यालय की बढ़ती हुई ख्याति में आपने इस आहुति से राजकीय योग शिक्षण व स्वास्थ्य महाविद्यालय को और गदगद किया है, आपको हमेशा याद करेगा। महाविद्यालय की दोनों वरिष्ठ महिला योग शिक्षकों ने इस दिन के कार्यक्रम को बहुत ही जिम्मेदारी से, संजीदगी से, चिंता दिली से मंच का संचालन करते हुए प्रश्नोत्तरी के माध्यम से कार्यक्रम को सींचा है, वो भी बधाई के पात्र हैं। महाविद्यालय में संस्कृत के विद्वान डॉक्टर गुणानिधि शर्मा जी तथा छात्र छात्राओं की टीम ने मंत्रोच्चारण, हास्य अनुकृति के माध्यम से भी अमिट छाप छोड़ी है। रोशन लाल जी जो अभी भी हमें कैमरे में कैद कर रहे हैं, इस कार्यक्रम को सदा सदा के लिए अमर कर देते हैं। ऐसे अन्य विशेष दिवस पर उत्सव मनाने का प्रचलन हमारी प्रिंसिपल महोदया जी डॉक्टर सपना नंदा जी ने कार्यभार संभालने के बाद और जोर पकड़ गया है। तो अब समझ में आ गया है कि हम केवल योग शिक्षक ही पैदा नहीं कर पाएंगे, अब हम विशिष्ट गुणों से, जो कि अति आवश्यक गुण होते हैं, उनको धारण करके यहाँ से जो भावी शिक्षक, चिकित्सक निकलेंगे, वो समाज में, प्रशासन में, देश में रह करके अपनी और अच्छे से सेवा दे पाएंगे। सभी को बहुत बहुत साधुवाद, धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now I request you all to please stand up for the national anthem.
सावधान होंगे, सावधान। 1 2 3। जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जल तरंग, तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। धन्यवाद। एक बार ग्रुप छोड़ो,
आजो सरगी, एक मिनट वेट करना। सरगी राजवंत जल्दी से भागो भागो।
अब सेट है, सेट बस थोड़ा।
सरगी आ नहीं रहे आप, इधर आ जाओ, बीच में आ जाओ।
आगे
आ रहे हैं सब?
यस मैम।
Very good.